Hi all, so to begin, enter your 6-digit PIN number into the login screen. Once you're in, it will ask you to connect the Bluetooth probe. Simply turn on the probe and then hit connect in the device list menu. Wait for the orange light to appear on the top of the Bluetooth probe to indicate a connection has been made, and just make sure that the serial number on the back of the device matches the one on the screen. Next, click Add New Form. Select from the form list, in this case the hot holding record sheet. The form will then appear in your digital clipboard and simply hit Open Form. Begin by inputting the unit name. Then click Add New Row. You can then begin inputting the date, time and display number, and then use the drop-down list to input your food item. Click on the blue Bluetooth icon and this will pop up and automatically be populated with whatever it says on your Bluetooth handheld probe. Simply initial for recorded by, and at this point we can go ahead and save the form. We can ignore that message because we will be coming back into it to complete the form later. At this point we can log out of the form completely or go to the home page, and then 30 minutes later we can come back into the digital clipboard and access the same form. We can see all the previous information has been saved and we are now ready to complete our core temperature check after 1 hour. Simply click the blue Bluetooth icon again, probe the food and input the reading. Initial to sign the form, and if needed you can add a new row or any other rows that have already been added can be completed. Once the form has been completed, a manager can then proceed to sign off by selecting the date and signature. We can then move to the approval stage by clicking the green Approve button in the bottom right corner. Firstly, create a digital signature. Simply click Digital Signature and input your name, and this will print your name and a timestamp along with it. The next step is to use your PIN number to sign off the form, and this will then create the PDF printout containing all the temperatures we've taken. The sign-off process can only be completed using a manager's PIN number. A digital copy of the PDF will be automatically sent to your manager, and we can also see that in the digital clipboard the form has now been approved. We can also view the PDF within the digital clipboard at any time for future reference.